Like an old prick. Checking out my shit. Yeah, unreal. G'day viewers, Dano here, back at ya, a 1mm again. Alright, last couple of days here it has been wetter than a spastic's chin. It's absolutely pissed down. So outdoor activities have been off the cards. Found myself sitting inside, twiddling my thumbs, thinking, what the hell can I do? And thought I'll come out into the garage, give that a bit of a clean up and sort out some of my tools. While I was doing that, I thought to myself, there's a lot of stuff here that I don't use anymore. What could I do with them? Who might want to utilise them? There's a young bloke, lives just down the road with his dad. His dad's doing an awesome job of raising him. He's a top little fella. And I thought to myself, I might donate some of these tools to him. I've already had a bit of a yarn with his old man, and he says, yep, he's got no dramas with me giving him some tools. So I've sorted some stuff out over the last couple of days, and yeah, he doesn't know what's going to happen, but we'll get him over here later on and I'll surprise him. So I'll just take you over. We'll go and check out what we're gonna give to the young fella, and yeah, we'll check out his reaction when he does come over later on. Alright, let's go and have a look. Alright, this is the toolbox that I'd like to give him. It's really brand new, everything's in there. You can lock it up. I've also thrown some spanners and stuff in there, some little pliers and some electrical stuff and some drills, hacksaw, wire brush, all the stuff that you need to get started. There's a couple of spare drawers there for him to throw some of his own stuff in, and a bit of storage down the bottom there so he can throw some of the tools that he's already got. So we're going to pack all this up and wait for him to come over and then surprise him and see how he reacts. Alright, till then. Alright, his dad's just messaged me, they're on the way over, so give it a second, we'll pop this garage door and surprise this young fella. G'day mate, come in.
Did we catch you at the wrong time?
No, it's all good. It's all good. Hey, you've probably seen me in here cleaning up over the last couple of days. Come in. Probably seen me in here cleaning up over the last few days.
Yeah.
I've worked out that I've got too many tools, mate, and I'd like to give them to you.
Oh, yeah.
Mate, this is yours.
Oh.
Come and have a look.
Ow.
What do you reckon?
What?
Bit of surprise, mate.
It's going to come in so much use.
Don't take your dad's car apart.
Yeah.
All right.
Stay away from my stuff.
Come over here. Come here.
Right.
Go. Thumbs up to the camera, mate.
Thank you, Dano.
No worries, buddy. All right. Here you go. Whole thing's yours, buddy.
That's unreal.
That's
Thanks,
Right.
mate. Really good.
Don't tip it over on the way home. All right. What we'll do is we'll just throw this little lock bar in, so
Down the house quick enough.
so all the drawers don't come out on you. Alright, what do you reckon? Oh, I've missed half the fucking drawers.
cool. That's going to come in so much use.
There you go, mate. So you'll be able to put all your tools and all that sort of stuff away.
Instead of them being all over the floor.
Yep. I need to clean up now.
Awesome. Thanks, mate.
Well, that was pretty good. Young fella was pretty happy to get that, and the other upside to it is gives me more room to put other stuff. Maybe a little sandblaster or something will be the next toy I get. Alright people, thanks for tuning in. I hope you've liked today's video, something a little bit different. We've started a young bloke on his journey for for tools and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about it, and yeah, he was absolutely stoked. If you could have seen his face, you know, he just didn't know where to look or what to do with himself. So, all right, thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.